there's a whole line of products that this company does. Cascade is a trusted outdoors company, and here I bought this hammock um to put it in the back porch. I am going to open it, right? So this is the hammock. This is how it comes, really nice, and I'm going to open it here. It comes with these instructions of how this is how it's supposed to be. Um, it says that this is for 2 users. We're about to find out what's in the bag. I'm gonna open it real nice, and let's do this. So let me take this out of here. And maybe it's here, right? But then we open it here. Actually, let's just, right? So we're gonna, it comes with this. You need to cut when it's brand new. It comes with this. You see, it says it right there. Then you need to cut it. So let's cut that. So that, be careful not to cut the strings. Be very careful. I almost did it. Okay. Okay, so we're sure. Perfect. So now we do that. We pull it out. And then we take this tie. It's a tie, right? We undo it here, right? And then you take this out. Now you can open it real nice and you have your brand new hammock. Hammock, I have good memories of hammocks because when I was a kid in Puerto Rico, there was hammocks everywhere for resting after some nice lunch. In the afternoon, it's a perfect place to just rest and go to sleep. Real nice. And I have good memories of good naps that I took on hammocks uh, under the house because in Puerto Rico, some of the houses um, have like a space under, so they're up high and they have these long legs. The houses they have these long legs, and you can put the like like there's living rooms down there. You can park your car. But in my case, in the house that we had, it was essentially we had some uh living rooms there, and that's where the party's happening. And when there was not a party and it was calm and nice and you had a nice breeze, you lie down on one of these hammocks. So this hammock is really well made. It's a really, really breathable material right here, right? And you roll it up real nice. It comes with everything. So basically, you see these hooks here? These are the hooks that go on each side. So you need to find like somewhere to put it. And it comes with the straps. Like you could put these straps up and they both come in the back, right? And then you on one side you hook this up and on the other side you hook it up. And then this is where you lie. It's like a cocoon, right? So you're lying in this inside of this cocoon and it's nice and comfy to go in there and sleep. So if you never lied in a hammock, especially after having a nice meal of rice and beans and like steak and falling asleep there and having a long nap or just chilling with your friends, just sitting there and talking. This is what we did, and just swinging from it because you can swing from hammocks. It's a lot of fun. So if you haven't done it, here you got it, and it's easy to put away and and to save and take with you to put it between two trees, for example, and then two palm trees, if you're lucky, right? Uh, and just have a great time with it, lying there by yourself or with your significant other. Super recommended.